Good morning, sir. This is my report about experimental research. The experimental method of research is defined by Good as a method or procedure involving the control or manipulation of conditions for the purpose of studying the relative effects of various treatments applied to members of a sample or of the same treatment applied to members of different samples. Manuel and Middle explain the experimental method of research in the following way. The basic purpose of experimental research is to discover the influence of one or more factors upon a condition, group, or situation, purpose of which is discover what will be. It describes and analyzes variables in carefully controlled conditions as a basis for inferring or concluding. An experimental research, therefore, consists of manipulating an experimental variable under highly controlled conditions to determine how and why a particular event occurs. In other words, experimental research is highly controlled procedure in which manipulated treatments or action from a factor or condition, called the experimental or independent variable, are applied upon another factor or condition, called the dependent variable, to determine the effect of the former upon the latter. All other factors or variables being kept constant or equal so that any change the dependent variable is attributable only to the experimental or independent variable. A variable is anything that may change or may be changed from one condition to another, either qualitatively or quantitatively. Examples are age, height, weight, method of teaching, language, time, and etc. An independent variable is anything, condition, or process which is controlled and manipulated by the experimental and applied on another thing, condition, or process dependent variable, intended to have or produce a change in or a reaction from the latter. A dependent variable is anything, a condition or process exposed to or upon which treatment or action from the independent variable. The response of change in the independent variable is measured and some statistical methods are applied to determine the effects of the independent or experimental variable. Here is a very simple illustration. Suppose a student E and student B grade level and have the same level of mental ability. Student A is given 3 hours to study a certain lesson and the student B is given 2 hours to study the same lesson. Then they are given the same test on the lesson. When the test papers of the two students are scored